This installation guide can be found on the Ansible Forms documentation website, ansibleforms.com. Go to the installation section and search for Install using Docker Compose. For this demo, I have prepared a new Ubuntu installation. We start by creating a new folder for our installation. Next, we download the sample Docker Compose project from GitHub. It's important that you set the required permissions on the data folder as well as the MySQL init folder. Now that we have our project folder configured, we can install Docker and Docker Compose. For more information on how to install Docker, go to the Docker website. You will find detailed manuals for each Linux flavor. Read them carefully, as some require additional prerequisites. Docker is now running. Before we start our Docker project, let's have a look at the configuration. You will notice that we import an external file with variables. You can customize these variables to fit your needs. On our website, you can find more details on all of these variables. Now, let's start the Docker containers. 2 Docker containers have been created. Let's inspect the logs of the MySQL container. Finally, let's open the browser and see if Ansible Forms is running.